May Linyas. This is Teacher May, and today we are going to discuss the topic Farm Tools in Agricultural Farm Production. This video tutorial is based from your learning activity sheet in Technology and Livelihood Education 8, Quarter 1, Week 1. So bring out your learning activity sheet. Our learning targets for today: identify farm tools and equipment according to use, conduct pre-operation checkup in line with the manufacturer's manual, use appropriate tools or equipment for the job requirement according to manufacturer's specification and instructions. For the lesson, let's have some warm-up questions. I have 2 questions for you to answer. Farm tools are very important in agricultural crop production because they A. Make work easier, B. Make work faster, C. Save time and effort, D. All of the above. Your time starts now. Very good, all of the above. Which tool resembles the appearance of spoon and used for transferring soil? A. Spade and fork, B. Shovel, C. Rake, D. Grab hoe. Your time starts now. Correct, letter B, shovel. The first lesson we're going to discuss is hand tools. Hand tools are usually light and are used without the help of animal or machine. They are being used in performing farm activities which involve small areas like school garden and home garden. These are examples of hand tools. Bolo. Bolo is used for cutting tall grasses and weeds and chopping branches of trees. Crowbar. It is used for digging big holes and for digging out big stones and stumps. Pick mattock. It is used for digging canals, breaking hard topsoil, and for digging up stone and tree stumps. Grab hoe. It's used for breaking hard topsoil and pulverizing soil. Spade. It's used for removing trash or soil, digging canals or ditches, and mixing soil media. Shovel. It's used in removing trash, digging loose soil, moving soil from one place to another, and for mixing soil media. Rake. It's used for cleaning the ground and leveling the topsoil. Spade and fork. It's used for loosening the soil, digging out root crops, and turning over the materials in a compost heap. Light hoe. It's used for loosening and leveling the soil and digging out furrows for planting. Hand trowel. It's used for loosening the soil around the growing plants and putting small amount of manure fertilizer in the soil. Hand cultivator. It's used for cultivating the garden plot by loosening the soil and removing weeds around the plant. Hand fork. It's used for inter-row cultivation. Pruning shears is for cutting branches of planting materials and unnecessary branches of plants. Axe is for cutting bigger size of posts. Knife is for cutting planting materials and for performing other operations in horticulture. Sprinklers used for watering seedling and young plants. Water pails for holding water, manure, and fertilizer. Wheelbarrow is used for holding trash, manures, fertilizer, planting materials, and other equipment. And sprayers used for spraying insecticides, foliar fertilizer, fungicides, and herbicides. Farm implements. These are accessories which are being pulled by working animals or mounted to machineries, which are usually used in the preparation of land. These are usually made of a special kind of metal. Examples are plows. These are farm implements either pulled by a working animal or a tractor. The plow is specifically used for tilling large areas, making furrows, and inter-row cultivation. Plows pulled by working animals are made of either a combination of metal and wood or pure metal. They are used to till areas with a shallower depth than that of the disc plows, which are pulled by a tractor. Harrows. The native wooden harrow is made of wood with a metal teeth and pulled by a carabao, while the disc harrow is made of metal mounted to a tractor. Harrows are used for tilling and pulverizing the soil. The rotavator is an implement mounted to a tractor used for tilling and pulverizing the soil. Common farm equipment. These are machineries used in crop production. They are used in land preparation and in transporting farm inputs and products. This equipment needs a highly skilled operator to use. Examples are hand tractor. Is used to pull a plow and harrow in preparing a large area of land. Four-wheel tractor is used to pull this plow and this harrow in preparing much bigger area of land. Water pumps are used to draw irrigation water from a source. Thresher, a machine or tool used for separating seeds from grain. Corn dehusker. The corn dehusker machine is a kind of multifunctional machine. It can peel the skin and remove the corn from the cob. It is high frequency and can be connected with kinds of tractor. Rice harvester. It makes the harvesting process easier by combining such as gathering, transporting, reaping, threshing, cleaning, and bagging into one machine. The modern and efficient way of harvesting rice. Grass cutter. It is used for removing and cutting grasses. Rice seeder. It is used for sowing germinated paddy seed directly in wetland field. There is no need for transplantation. Now, let's see if you understand our lesson. What is hand tool? What is farm implements? What is farm equipment? At this point, turn your activity sheet to enrichment part. Do not write anything on this activity sheet. Write your answer on a separate long band paper. Enrichment activity number 1. There are 3 columns in this activity. The first column is for the tools and the second column is for the uses. On the third column, draw a smiley face if the statement in column A match column B. And if not, write the correct word that best describes the statements. Shovel is used in different farm operations. It is used in digging and moving soil from one place to another, cleaning ditches, and others. Proper use of this tool can help make the work easier. For your enrichment activity number 2, you are going to arrange the following procedure on how to use shovel in different farm operations. Write A for the first step, B for the second step, and so on. For your enrichment activity number 3, how well do you know the equipment used in crop production? Direction. Match up the equipment used in crop production with the right picture by putting the corresponding letter in the space provided for. For your enrichment activity number 4, answer the following. Number 1, define equipment. Number 2, give the specific uses and function of the following equipment. A. Hand tractor. B. Four-wheel tractor. C. Water pump. For your wrap-up activity, answer the following questions. What is the difference between a farm hand tools and farm equipment? How does the use of farm tools and equipment helps in the production of farm crops? I hope you learned something today. If you have questions or clarification regarding the topic we discussed, feel free to contact your subject teacher through text, call, or post your question in your official Facebook group or page. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.